Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we make physics easy and enjoyable. Today, we will share 5 valuable steps that will help you solve physics problems easily. Whether you're a student or just someone curious about the wonders of the universe, these tips will make your physics journey much smoother. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Understand the problem. The first step in solving any physics problem is to fully understand what it's asking. Take your time to read the problem carefully, identify the given information, and determine what you're asked to find. This step helps you establish a clear path towards the solution and avoid unnecessary confusion. Step 2. Visualize and draw diagrams. Physics often deals with complex concepts and relationships. To simplify the problem, visualize it in your mind and draw diagrams representing the key elements involved. This visual representation helps you identify relevant equations, visualize the scenario, and grasp the underlying physics principles more effectively. Step 3. Break down the problem. Physics problems can appear difficult to deal with at first glance. To make them more manageable, break them down into smaller, more solvable parts. Identify subproblems within the larger problem and tackle them one by one. This approach not only simplifies the overall task but also allows you to focus on specific aspects of the problem, making it easier to solve. Step 4. Utilize relevant equations. Physics is heavily reliant on mathematical equations that describe the relationships between various physical quantities. Familiarize yourself with the relevant equations for the specific topic you're studying. Having a solid foundation in these equations will help you quickly identify which ones to use in a given problem and how to apply them correctly. Step 5. Practice, practice, practice. Like any skill, mastering physics problem solving requires practice. Work through a variety of problem sets, including different levels of difficulty. The more problems you solve, the more familiar you become with the underlying principles and the strategies required to solve them. Additionally, practicing under timed conditions will enhance your problem-solving speed and efficiency. By following these 5 tips, you'll be well equipped to solve physics problems easily and confidently. Remember, physics is not only about finding answers, but also about understanding the fundamental concepts that govern our universe. So, keep practicing, stay curious, and let the wonders of physics unfold before you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more physics-related content. Until next time, happy problem solving!